Today, I'm going to show you how to remove text from any kind of picture you want, specifically more so if you want to remove texts from people's shirts, like this example here. So basically what you want to do is get your picture and get your magic wand and just simply click on the actual stuff that you want to take out. Now, to make this really clean and really slick looking, you can go up to Select, go to Modify, Expand. I like to do 2 pixels just to make sure you're not on the text at all. Hit OK. And then what you would want to do from this point is go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. And a lot of the standard options here are just great to use, so you don't have to go around changing them. So just keep it on auto. You can have the opacity up to 100% if you want. Doesn't really change the overall results. And hit OK. Then you deselect, and there you go. Now you have a photo without any text on it, and you can do anything you want with it. Thank you guys, and look out for some more videos just like this. See ya.